Hi students, welcome back to the English class, 5th class. From the unit 8, the next chapter we are going to learn is The Little Bully. Okay, the title of our chapter is The Little Bully. Little means very small. Okay, then bully means making trouble, okay, or making harm others. Okay, then here is saying about a little bully, okay, a small one who make or who made harmful to others, making harming others, making trouble to others. Okay, in this story telling about a boy, a child. His name is Harry. Okay, and he is very naughty boy. Naughty means in sense of he tease others children and he push them. He always making trouble others, means he is not a friend of no one. He is making troubles others. Okay, then finally something happened to him. In this story we can see that finally something happened to him and there was no one to help him. Okay, there was no one because he is making others trouble, but when he is in trouble no one is to help him. Okay, now let us see in this chapter what had happened to Harry. Okay, do you know of any child who teases others or pushes them around? What would you call such a child? Read this story and see how Harry, a little boy, troubles other children. Okay, now let us go and read. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Harry. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. Okay, the first paragraph, first sentence is saying that once upon a time there was a boy, his name is Hari, and he is not, he wasn't, was not, wasn't means was not, okay, short form of was not. Then he is was not wasn't big, but he was very strong boy and he loved, what is his he liked to do, tease all the boys and girls who is coming with him. Okay, then what he do, he loved to do most was to pinch. Okay, you can see that the meaning of pinch means making, you see that a girl with him and he is trying to do with his hand, with fingers. Okay, his fingers, both fingers are trying to pinch that girl and she is look her face, she is so pain, she started to pain, that's why her face is, she started to cry, means it's very more painful when we pinch. Okay, then this Hari is always pinch. He could make a big bruise appear in a half a second. Means when we will do, he do like that. After half a second or after it will, there will be become red color. No, and then sometimes the blood will also come. Then here it bruise means appear mark in this side. Marks it will come the signs. Signs 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 will come there. Okay, another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. Okay, what he will do another is pricking. Okay, means he used to have a pin and he will do in other hand. Prick means doing with a pin. So you can guess how all the children hated him. Because of that, all the children hated Hari. Then what happened? They tried pinching him back. Okay, then someone will try pinching him, Hari, to back, but there was no good because he could always pinch harder. Okay, the others tried to do him back, but he is doing with very hard. They didn't like telling, didn't like telling their teacher because that was telling a lies, because when the others, his friends will tell to teacher, but no one was listening. He always trying to tease and pinch and prick other of his friends. It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. All the children were most excited. Okay, what happened? One day, the class went for the picnic where seaside. They went to seaside. Okay, for whole day, full day, that one day picnic. All the children were most excited. All the children were very happy to go picnic. Then where they went seaside. Okay, then this side you should be very careful. My book, textbook is not much clear. On that day the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with excitement. Okay, that day was very sunny day, very bright day, and all the children were wild means very big, very were very excited. They crowded into the train and sat down, but nobody wanted to sit next to Harry because he always pinches. Okay, there is a park. In there is park also. Then they all are playing in that, but there is a train parked in the park. There is a train. Then you sit to 3 or 4 can sit, but Harry is sitting alone because nobody want to sit with him because he used to pinch others. Okay, the next. When they arrived at the seaside, out jumped all children with a shout of joy. Down to the sand they raced, hand in hand, but nobody took Harry's hand. Nobody went near to him. Okay, when they arrived at the seaside, all were shouting. The children were shouting and they playing with the hand-to-hand race. Means they started to run with the hand-to-hand, but no one wanted the hand of Harry. All hated Harry. It's not good, no one take his hand. He is very sad that time. Harry was angry. He became angry. He went to a sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and looked at it. Okay, what, he was alone, no one was with him. Then he went in a corner. Sandy corner means there was a sand. Then he went in the seaside. You can see that the white sand. Then there was a rocks also, and he was sit there and no one was with him to talk. Then what he did, he take his lunch box and he was looking at the lunch box. It was a good lunch. There were 2 hard boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake and a bar of chocolate. Okay, very delicious lunch he had. He would eat it all by himself because there is no friend to share with him. He alone, he ate alone everything. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone, nothing, because no one was with him. Okay, the next page. Just as he was beginning on the egg, okay, he started to eat. He was just taking the egg. He heard a hoarse voice near him. Okay, when he started to take the egg, he heard a voice. Then, good morning. I am so pleased to meet a boy like you. Okay, he heard a voice. Hoarse voice means very shouting voice saying that good morning. I am so pleased to meet you. Then Harry turned around and stared in fright because the sound was very shouting, and he turned back and he stared means looking fixedly. Whatever do you think he saw? Do you know what he saw? Harry saw a monster means very big. Monster means very big in size. Crab walking sideways out of the pool. Okay, he saw that. You can see in the picture a crab, big one, is coming from the sea to near to him. His eyes were on the end of the short stalks and he looked most cure. Okay, what happened? The crab is coming, big crab is coming from the sea, and this crab is coming near to him, and his short stalks means and look, he can see that this crab is, there was a small plant near this sea, and he saw that through that stem of the plant he saw that this crab is coming near to him and he looked as a strange. Here cure means so strange. He held out his friend claw. Claw means nail. You can see that this is the claw of the crab. Okay, friend crab. Friend claw means this friend nail to Hari. Okay, this crab is taking the friend. It is very long nail. Is coming near to the Hari's hand. Hari put out his hand and shake the crab's claw. But now the hand of the Hari is inside the nail of the crab. But to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his pincers and his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. Okay, what happened? These two pincers means these two sides there is a teeth. You can see that this white one is very strong one, and this crab take Hari's hand and he bite the Hari's hand, and the boy was yelled means the starting to cry. It is very painful. Ah, here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly, and Hari's horror. He saw a large sandy lobster crawling heavily out of the pool. Before the little boy could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great pincer-like claws and pinched it so hard that Hari yelled in pain. Again came another crab friend. Means all these things are we can find in the sea. This crab, lobster. Okay, you can see these are all are in the sea. Then one by one all are coming and coming near to the near to Hari, because Hari is alone. No one is there to help him, and all this crab and lobster took his Hari's hand. Claws, here CLAWS, claws means nail. Okay, the nail of these animals, and they pinched so hard, and Hari was shouting loud, crying loudly. Okay. Then he stared at the pool in surprise, for out came sandy colored shrimps and prawns, more crabs and another large lobster, and they pricked Hari till he was soon black and blue with their pinching. Okay, again coming another sea animals. Okay, this is shrimps and prawns and crabs. Okay, again coming another that these friends of this crab, you can say that. Okay, you can see this all these shrimps, prawns in Hindi. What is the meaning of these things? Okay, then they all came near to Hari, and Hari became black and blue, means he changed. He is crying, his face was changed. Okay, don't you like it? Then they are saying, don't you like it? Said all the creatures in surprise. Why, we were told you would love to see us because you were a champion pincher and pricked yourself. Come join in the fun. Okay, then Hari is thinking that they were saying that we were told you, would you love to see us? You come because you are also pinching others. Then we will join together. Okay, you are a champion of the pincher, because Hari was pinching other students, others, his friends. Then these crabs and lobster, and they were saying that you are the champion of the pincher. Now join with us. Okay. Hari leapt to his feet. It means he is jumping, leap or jumping his feet, crying loudly. His lunge rolled into the pool, means in his hand there was an egg. Then it rolled down into the pool, means it went to the sea, and the crabs and lobsters saw it. They ran to take that egg. Okay, they went to take that egg. That time Hari saw that they had forgotten about him. Okay, what happened? All these crabs and prawns, they went to take the egg. Harry saw that they had forgotten him for a time. He turned and ran for his life, tears streaming down his cheeks. He was crying, and his tears is streaming means the water is coming down to his face. You can see that he is thinking, crying, and water is coming down. Okay, they only did to me what I keep doing to the other children. Okay, then he is thinking that they only did this seaside animals, they did it to me because the same I did it to my children, my friends, he thought. But how it hurt when I did, they also hurt, they also get pain. And how I hated those crabs and lobsters. Now he hated the crabs and lobster. The same the children, his friends, his own friends hated. I suppose the other children hate me too. Well, I jolly well shan't pinch or prick anymore. Here is he is saying that himself. I, Dolly, I will be very happy. Well, shan't, shall not. Here is the, this shan't is a short form of the shall. Shan't is a short, full form of the shall not. Okay, he will, shall, will not, I shall not pinch again my friends. Okay, he decided to do, to do, to, he decided not to do the pinch his own friends. The chapter is over. Everyone should read the chapter and the word meaning, question answer I will send in the WhatsApp. Now let us do some textbook work. Okay, page number 141. Okay, 141. Harry was pinched till he was black and blue. Black and blue. Here is black and blue means Harry fell down in pain, or there was bruises on his body. Harry painted himself in colors. Harry had a black and blue shirt. What is the meaning of this black and blue? Harry fell down in pain. That is the meaning, because he black and blue, he is so much pain. Okay, third one. I shan't pinch anymore. Anyone anymore. Shan't means, what is the meaning? Short form of the shan't, full form of the shan't, shall not. Okay, then there are other full forms. Fourth one, won't. Won't is will not. Weren't, were not. Wouldn't, would not. Couldn't, could not. Okay, you can write all these. The next one is a girl was sitting quietly beside him. Harry left his feet, crying loudly. Okay, there is a word quietly ending with ly, and loudly end with ly. Okay, now you can write any 5 words end with ly. Okay, quietly, pleasantly, happily. Okay, like that you can write yourself this fifth one. Again, the next page 142, add ly to the following words. Here is also you can add clearly, merrily, warily, doubly, drearily, brightly, badly, and fondly. Then this you can take one by word and write one sentence. For example, clear. Clearly. Okay, clear become clearly. Then what sentence we can make? I can read English clearly. Okay, that is one sentence. Same you can write merrily. First you see the meaning of that word and make a sentence. Okay, this is also your homework. Okay, the next, fun with words. Let us practice with P and F. There are some words starting with P and F. Pleased, pricked, pinched, punished, fat, fruit, fell, forgotten, palm, pear, proud, parrot, farm, fair, prawn, fish. Okay, then the next word is complete the following with rhyming words. Okay, you know that what the rhyming word end with the same word and same pronunciation. Here is bruise, cruise, carriage, marriage. Okay, same word ending. Prawn, drawn. Okay, you can complete it with this one. You can do rhyming word. Okay, the next page, the first question. I will send in the WhatsApp. Don't worry, that is one question answer. Then there is a grammar section. Okay, I ate an apple. Okay, an article an we use. You know that when there is a vowel sound, we will use the an article an. Okay, then there is one paragraph. Then downside there is fill in the blanks. You can understand. Read first this paragraph and fill in the blanks with the appropriate articles. Okay, now let us see this fill in the blanks only we will read. Hari was dash unpopular boy. Okay, here is un, then there will be article an. Second one, the boys and the girls went to the seaside. He saw dash big crab, a big crab. I found a dash empty bottle, and start with the E vowel, then an empty. Dash sea creatures ate his food. The sea creatures ate his food. Okay, students, the homework I gave that page 140, 41, number 5 and number 5 and page 142 number 2. Okay, these two things are homework you should do. Okay, this page 41, 141 and 142 you can do yourself. Okay, students, please everyone do this. Okay, bye. Thank you.